my gig for internet marketing installed in my VPS. So now let's start the tutorial. So you only go to the IP I gave you. So you hit place and you hit enter, and let's wait and log out so you can paste it in your browser, and you put your username and your password I give you, and you hit enter. Okay, here is the Interspire email marketer control panel. So the most setting I have set it up for you. For example, you go to application setting. So now here you see the settings in the application, where is the URL and the contact email address. This is the address, the email address to be used, and you can read, and this is normally when you forget your password. Okay, IP address tracking. You can track the emails opened or the email of your contacts by IP. You can check or uncheck it. Use multiple and subscribe. Yes, that's not. I prefer not use it, but you can use it to have more information. Just go here and you'll see the information. This content, if you want your contact to modify their email, you can check this. All these settings are not necessary. This just if you want to test if it's working, you can write here like you write your email and click send, and you check if it's working. Let's check with my email, for example, gmail.com, and we hit send. But this email has been successfully sent to email address, so it's working. But let's check the email. So here is the email. Here is it's received from email we entered, and to my email. This test of the email in system. If you receive this okay, then everything is working. Okay, so it's okay now. Okay, email setting. The email setting, email size, on all this not very important. Just keep this. It's not very important. Allow attachments. You want to attach images or something to your email. Allow embed image. This option and upload. You will be able to embed in the email for purchase standards. Yes, email by default. Okay, yes, put up in test mode. No, this is not. Don't check this. Okay, use SMTP server. Only use my default, so you can use the VPS default SMTP. If you have an SMTP server, for example, you buy an SMTP from a company, you can enter it here, but just make it here. Bounce. What is bounce? Bounce is when we send an email and the receiver, the address you send to is not does not exist, or for any reason does not accept a message, so it will go back to your bounce email. Okay, it's preferable that you set a bounce email, so your inbox will not be full of messages like this that's impossible to deliver message. So it's preferable to set here an email. For example, you have an email, you write here the bounce email address, the server, the username, the password, the pop or email, auto dictate. No, it's all done. You check this and you test it. It's okay, it's working. Then you have to change it if not working. Email credit done. This is not this is all. This not the cron setting. I have already set up the cron setting, so you don't need to keep it open while setting. So every 1 hour it will process the bouncing. Every 5 minutes it will process the sending email. So if it keeps in, so it's not a problem. Just leave this as it is. All this is okay. So now let's go to the contact list. So We'll start by view contact list. You see our contact. We don't have any contact. You need first to start by creating a contact list. You create a contact. You give it a name. For example, I don't know. You give it a name. Distinguish from other contact list. One contact list. One contact list. One owner. Who is the owner? Your name, for example, canvas. List owner email. Okay, this is the email address it will be sent from to your contact. If you don't need to your contact see your email address, just put any email here. Okay, the reply address should be of an email address, a real email address, so you can get replies from your contact. Bounce and the bounce email we set up earlier, you have to enter it here again for this contact list. Every contact list have its own setting, and here you can check this. Yes, send subscribe and unsubscribe notification email to the list owner. So every time someone unsubscribe from your list, you will get an email. If you don't want to receive this email, touch and check this. And custom fields, if it's preferable, just uncheck all, because all you need is emails. If you have a name, you want all this, you can use it, but most of the users only use email. Okay, visible. Okay, also here we just keep email address, so we can also just see email address. If you are a company, just your company address, phone number. Process, if you want to process the most improve this contact list, process and enter, or the default one will be used. Okay, once we create, we save, enter. Okay, check this, save. We created the contact list CL1. Now we need to import contact. View contact, you see that there is no contact here. Add contact. Okay, we can add one by one if you want to add. Okay, one email address to save, but if you have a file, it's preferable to cover the import contact. We go to contact, import contact from file. It's better to import contact. Okay, for example, you have a lot of contact list. You have to choose which contact list you want to import this email. Okay, we have only one. You hit next. Okay, here the mark as confirmed. Okay, you will have to mark the email contact you will import as confirmed or unconfirmed. It depends to you. Format to the font if HTML is better. If you want to send them HTML message or text, if you want only text, but keep it HTML is better. Overwriting, yes, overwrite. For example, you have already email and you import other email, you will overwrite the old one. Autoresponder, contact responders, contain headers. If your file where you will import contains a header, check this, but not it's preferable to touch nothing. Just make sure your contacts are in a text file, one email per line, and import. Click here, browse, and import. Choose where is your file, for example, and import, and hit import, and you go next, and a pop-up will come and will tell you that with success your contact is imported. Okay, now that we have imported our contacts, we have our contacts are confirmed or unconfirmed. It's not important yet. Just keep. You have to remember contact status. Now we have to create an email campaign. An email campaign. We have to create. There is no email campaign. We have to create an email campaign. An email campaign is simply the email message that you will send to your contact. You have to give a name, first email, for example. Email campaign format, it will be HTML or text. Both will be both, or it will be HTML. Okay, both. It's okay. The template here, you can find the template. You can choose the template you want. But A lot of choice here. Okay, we choose for example anyone. Let's go. Choose this. Okay, email subject. Here you have to email subject, the subject of your email. For example, is in your city, for example. Okay, you can create here, or you can, if you have a file, you can upload it here. It's simple. You enter here your message, company name, all. If you can change all this photo, you can change it. You can have another photo, unset photo, all. So things that you have not to, don't touch, just this, don't touch this. Everything you find with this sign, don't touch it, because this where people when they want to unsubscribe, you are subscribed as, and they will see their email, and in the bottom they will see to stop receiving this. Don't touch this. You can touch this, for example, change this, change all this, all. You can also delete this, but it's preferable to keep it. Okay, nothing here. Don't put anything. Attachments, even attachment. Check your email for spam. You need to see if it's spam or not. For example, this is a report. For example, check if it's spam or not. View email, different email message. You see how it will look for AOL. For example, Gmail, in Hotmail, how it will look. Outlook, for example, Outlook to Yahoo. Okay, so you can be sure how it's looking, and you can send a test. For example, send preview email from this email to. You can check any. You can put any email here, even it's not real or does not exist. It will be sent. And here you have to put your email, so you can see the message in your email. Then you hit save and exit. We save the contact. So we have the first email. This is the email that we send. Okay, here enable to load the following image in the email. What image? Just don't this is an error, but it's not important. That's for the image. It's not important. So now you have it. If you want to send it, you click send. When you click send, okay, you have to choose. I want to send an email to all contacts in the selected lists below. So you select the contact list that you want to send the email to, and hit next. There are no contacts because you don't have any contact. So if you have contacts, for example, send email to contact, send an email to my. Okay, we need to have some contact here, and you hit send. So it will give you another window to confirm, and okay, you can send, and it will schedule to send. And the system will, for every 5 minutes, will check if there are emails to be sent, and it will start sending them. So just when you hit the confirmation and we got a message that it was scheduled, just leave it. It will start sending it after 5 minutes, the maximum after 5 minutes, and you can close your this browser. Okay, I hope this is okay. You can understand this tutorial. It's a short tutorial, I know, but I try to do another one later. Thank you.